We are back.
Welcome to the MotoSport.com Gearhead Gift Guide, Holiday Edition.
Women's
Holiday Edition.
Women's
That's right,
gifts.
Kellen.
We're talking women's gear, women's gift ideas for those special ones in your life. Mothers, daughters, sisters.
Grandmas. Doesn't really matter. If
All
they're
of
a
them.
woman, they're gonna love this stuff. We got it for you. We got
Women's
riding gear.
specific riding gear, gift ideas.
Boots.
Let's get into it.
What do you have over there for us?
Well, I got everything from stocking stuffers like gloves, goggles, casual wear like sweatshirts, hoodies, t-shirts, to big items like body protection.
Helmets. Let's kick this off here with some boots. No pun intended. We got the O'Neill women's specific boots. These O'Neill boots are a part of a wide selection of women's products we have on Motosport. What else you got over there?
I got this chest protector from Liette. I mean, for obvious reasons, you want to wear this, protect against rocks, roost. We also got a big selection of body protection, chest protectors, knee braces, shoulder braces, everything to keep your loved ones safe. This is actually some of my favorite. If you guys are in the market for some gear, looking for a gift, these women's specific Ryder Co pants come with a lot of cool features like pockets, hold your keys, phone, high waist gaiter, specifically designed for women. Really cool colors in that. And I think the part that I like the most, Brett, is that this stuff really is specific to the ladies. So long gone are the days when you have to wear men's gear in a small size, because there's a lot of cool colors and options available from a bunch of different brands.
Yeah, and like you said, nowadays, a bunch of different brands doing that, like this from Alpine Stars. We got Fox Racing, Thor. A lot of places have women's gear, and we have it all on the website.
If you need a helmet, we got a bunch of those. Though helmets aren't specific to women, we know the best helmet is the one that fits the best. So tons of different colors, options from companies like Bell, Fox, Thor, Alpine Stars. There's even Ryder Co helmets to match this gear here. So tons of options on the site. Whatever you need, we got it.
Thanks for checking out the Motosport.com Gearhead Gift Guide, Holiday Edition. Don't forget, free shipping over $79 and first free exchange. So if you get something that doesn't fit, we'll take care of you.